Alright, somebody has done torn their pull chain up. It doesn't retract back into the housing here. It's pulled out. It's not going back in. This controls the light on the ceiling fan. It's an easy fix, and I'll show you how to fix it. It's easier just to pull it off the fan as well. You'll see the screws up there. Just loosen the screws and pull it off. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is take this off. Unscrews out of the switch there. And that way you can pull it out the side. I'm going to clip these wires here with my wire snippers. Clip it as close as you can to the switch and just pull that out of there. Then I will install my new one. This is my new fan switch. I'll leave a link to one in the description below on this video. You can have one delivered to your house. I'll unscrew this as well. This will go on our new switch. Just set that on the side. Trim these wires back with our wire snippers. Alright, got our wires stripped. Now we can put our new one in. We'll go ahead and mount it to the housing before I wire it up. Screw that back on. The little short chain that comes with it, I had to clip the chain off the old one to make it longer because it's so short. Once you put this on there, it won't come out the top. So just clip the chain off the old one so you'll have enough chain coming through. There we go. Just screw it back down. Alright, it's mounted now. These wires are a little long. I'm going to clip them, then I'll wire it up. I'm using the 18 gauge on my wire snippers. The old 18 gauge there, just cutting them off nicely. And it doesn't matter which one you go to, just twist them up and put little wire nuts on them and you're done. And I got them together. It doesn't matter which wire goes to which, as long as you have one black coming out of the top there to one of the blacks going to the switch, you'll be fine. Now just throw little wire nuts on them so they stay together. I'll also put a little electrical tape around the base of them just to keep them together. Then I'll stuff them up in here. Alright, let me get some electrical tape. Alright, skid, I got it mounted back up. Got a fresh bulb in there. And to take it down, just loosen these screws. There's 3 screws, one here and there's 2 more on the other side. Just loosen them and they'll twist off. I just find it easier to take it down and do it. You can leave it up here. Just leave it up on the fan and do it. So there's my new switch. Got electrical tape around it so nothing gets loose. I got it tucked nice. And now we just try it out. Looks like we're good to go. Simple fix, just 2 wires. And of course, you know, the globe will hide all that. All right, we're good to go. Thank you for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.